Several code violations exist in this garage subpanel installation. Firstly, the bare aluminum ground conductor should not be run through PVC conduit. PVC conduit is not an approved grounding conductor material, and the aluminum conductor is susceptible to corrosion when exposed to moisture in the conduit as outlined in NEC 300.20 and 310.4. Secondly, a main disconnect is required at the garage subpanel if the subpanel is not within sight of the main service panel. This requirement is detailed in NEC 225.32a. Thirdly, all electrical boxes must be grounded according to NEC 250.114a. Fourthly, a ground rod is required to provide a grounding connection to the electrical system as per NEC 250.52. Fifthly, a 100 amp breaker is not appropriate for a subpanel that is not rated for 100 amps. Refer to NEC 240.15b. Based on these code violations, several actions are recommended. 1. Replace the SER cable. The entire SER cable run from the main panel to the garage subpanel should be replaced with new cable that includes a properly insulated aluminum ground conductor. 2. Install a 100 amp main disconnect at the garage subpanel. 3. Install equipment grounding conductors, abbreviated EGC, to connect all electrical boxes to the aluminum ground conductor in the SER cable. 4. Drive a ground rod into the ground and bond it to the aluminum ground conductor in the SER cable. 5. Install a breaker at the main panel that is rated for the ampacity of the new SER cable. It is important to determine how the original SER cable was installed through the PVC conduit. If the PVC conduit was not properly sized for the cable, it may need to be replaced as well. The homeowner should be advised that the original installation was not compliant with electrical codes and could have posed a safety hazard.